Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Robinhood account. First, go to the Robinhood website or open the app. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up. If you already have an account, click on Log In. Now, enter your email address and password. If you've forgotten either, click on I need help to reset your password, recover your email, or get further assistance. After entering your login details, Robinhood will ask you to complete two-factor authentication for security. You may receive a code by text message or a notification in the Robinhood mobile app asking you to confirm if it's really you logging in. For example, if you're signing in from another device, Robinhood may send a message to your phone asking, "Is this you trying to log in?" Simply confirm by selecting yes, it's me. Once verified, you may also need to enter your PIN. After that, you'll be taken straight to your Robinhood dashboard. And that's it. That's how you log in to Robinhood. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.